Good morning. My name is Elena Gomez. Activity 1. Configure the structure need work for the company under students. Top 11 clients. Steel production companies. AMSA, Usiminas. Fortunes 11 supply wood, raw material, supply wood, raw material, supply wood. Qual means open missile, qual diamond operator meaning other raw materials, biotecnomaderas, industrias cruz, mineral more of the Colombia, second level and clients, ferro allow production companies, Acerías Paz del Río y Xerox. Second level supply or of input and service, meaning machinery company yellow machinery, Sinoming, Sen, Sumitomo, industrial mean companies in the Mission Integral Electric, Industrial Electric is 311 clients, cement production companies, housing is Cemex. 311 support provide goods, environmental constituents and main and energy insurance company, Colseguros Positiva, Financial Service, Métrica Analítica.
Borbones Andinos has operates in the mining and coal products sector. Supply and industries such as steel mill, cement and ferro alloys. Its supply network is structured in tier levels of suppliers and three levels of customers, described below. Supplier levels. First level. Raw material suppliers. Example. Minermol de Colombia, which provides magnetic acute input for activate carbon products. Example. Carbon diamond. A supplier of raw coal for processing and commercials. Second level. Input and service suppliers. Companies supplying machinery and industrial maintenance. Example. Integrate Electric, a supplier of electric equipment for mining operations. Example. Sub and Sumitomo, which provide motors and power transmissions systems used and products process. Third level. Support suppliers. Insurance and final entities providing operational support. Example. Colseguros and Positiva, responsibility for occupational risks, coverage and meaning. Example, Métrica Analítica, which provides quality control and environment certificate services. Customer levels. First levels. Steel and cement products. Example, Cerías Paz del Río. Usiminas, which uses metallurgical coal for steel manufacturing. Example, Cemex and Holcim, which use coal as an energy source in cement production. Second level, industrial companies. Industrial reliant on steel and cement in their production process. Example, Usiminas, one of the leading steel companies in Latin America. Third level, end-use constructors and manufacturing companies using steel and cement in infrastructure and consumer goods.
Hello, my name is Mónica Casallas Montañez. Activity 2. Horizontal structure, vertical structure, and horizontal position. Horizontal structure. Carbones Andinos SAS has an expanded horizontal structure, which implies that the company is related to a large number of suppliers and consumers from different sectors. The geographic diversification, Cundinamarca, Boyacá Atlántico, and the variety of sectors with which interact steel, cement, international trade, are clear indication of this breadth that the company has. The horizontal structure allows better coordination between the different areas of the company, especially between production and marketing, which is crucial to respond quickly to fluctuation in market demand and the requirement of international trade. Participation in international trade requires an horizontal structure that facilitates the connection with different markets and the adaptation to their particularities, which implies the management of relationships with consumers and suppliers in different countries, thus requiring flexibility and capacity to adapt to change in the market and consumers' needs.
Hello, I am Joaquin Ramos. Vertical structure represents the number of levels within the supply chain. Carbones Andinos, the three levels of suppliers and three levels of customers, indicates a high vertical integration. This means that Carbones Andinos has significant control over the different stages of the supply chain. This integration can offer advantage in terms of quality control, costs, and delivery times. Clear hierarchy and standardized process are fundamental to guarantee control at each stage of the production process. This is very important in the mining industry, where efficiency and safety are key and critical factors. On the one hand, the standardization of process helps to guarantee the quality of the final product, while the clear hierarchy helps each employee to know what their function is. Precise coordination and adaptability allowed Carbones Andinos to continually evaluate the effectiveness of the vertical structure and make adjustments as necessary to maintain competitive needs in the market. Thus Beijing more efficient because he does not depend on third parties but has great control of the process.
Good morning. My name is Edwin Leonardo Rojas Hernandez. Horizontal position. The position of Carbones Andinos SIS in the intermediate level of the supply chain as a key supplier of the raw materials is fundamental for the transformation industry. This gives it an strategic role in the value chain of its customers. This position implies mutual depends with supplier and consumers. Managing a strong long-term relationships is crucial to the company's success, as it has an impact on the industry by helping customers to have the best possible production processes. The company helps the steel and cement industry to have the necessary raw materials, where technology plays a crucial role in coordinating and controlling the supply chain. Thank you.